Now we're going to go ahead and look at how the HOD and the deans are supposed to approve or reject results uploaded by the lecturers. So I have logged in using a HOD test account, and if you look at this menu here, this menu bar here, you're going to see this menu: review results departmental in bracket. So it's departmental in bracket because the test account that I'm using now is a HOD account. So assuming it's a dean account, what you will see inside the bracket will be faculty. So before we go ahead, we need to look at what a lecturer sees after uploading a result. Then we can now come back and go ahead and approve the results that was uploaded by the lecturer. A quick view of what the lecturer sees after uploading results. So going to this particular menu, uploaded results, because that's exactly where you're going to see the results that where the lecturer is supposed to see the results that he or she uploaded. So click on uploaded results. Then the lecturer is supposed to select the session, the semester, then the status. So this status has three sorry four major options. So you have all, awaiting review, undergoing review, or rejected. So you want to see all the results regardless of the status, whether they are awaiting review or undergoing review or rejected. You can choose any of these options to actually fetch a results based on the status of the result. So we're just going to leave it at all for now. So click on next. So that will drop down all the results that the lecturer uploaded against this session and semester. So you notice that under the HOD column, all the results are awaiting review, same thing as the dean's column, and the general status of the result is also awaiting review for all the results. Now, we'll just go ahead and approve a result. It's important to note that the same steps and processes that it takes the HOD to approve a result is the same that it takes the dean as well to approve a result or to approve sets of results. So the only difference is that the dean only sees results that have been approved by the HOD. So if a set of results have not been approved by the HOD, the dean will not see them on his panel. So I'll just go ahead and approve a result as a HOD. So like I said before, the test account that I'm logged into is a HOD test account. So I'm just going to go ahead and use it to approve a set of results. So I'll just choose the session, then choose the semester, then click on next. So that will drop down all the results. It will pull the list of uploaded department courses. That's it, to drop down all the courses that have results uploaded against them. Okay, so there is one course here, so I'll just go ahead and click on the course, then I'll fetch the results that were uploaded against this course for this session and this semester. So that drops down here, and I can either come to the row per page and increase the number of results I see per page. That's if the results are more than 10. So also here you can see the number of results that were fetched. So here we have 1 2 3 of 3. So we simply means we have only 3 results for this particular course. So something to also note is that there is a checkbox by the left here So this is what you use to select the results that you want to approve or reject, as the case may be. But for now, we are actually looking at approving a result. So I can either click on the checkbox that is on the header section to select all the results that are showing on the page. Or I can click on it again if every result is selected, to deselect all of them. However, I can also select the results individually. So I can just select the result, the first result and the third result, and I don't want the second result, so I can deselect it. So what this means is that I just probably want to approve or reject the first and the third result, leaving the second the second result. So let's go ahead and approve only the first and the second result. So I'll just select both of them, and I click on approve results. So that will bring up a modal that will actually show me my selection, and just for me to be sure that what I selected, or the results I selected, are actually the results that I want to approve. Then the next thing I need to do is to generate an authentication key or an authorization key for this particular action. So when I click on generate authentication key, it's supposed to send the key to my email, or to the email of the HOD or the dean or whosoever that is operating this. So I'll just go ahead and click on generate authentication key. So it will generate the key, and it will send it to my email. So I have the key here. I'll just go ahead and put the key in here. So the key is 1138828 then I'll click on approve. Now I have actually approved the two results. So you're going to see an alert here. Your selection has been approved and is now waiting for the dean's approval. Remember, I'm operating this as a HOD, and after approving the results, it will be moved to the dean's panel, panel for approval. So when the dean logs into his panel, the dean will see the results and either decide to also approve the results or reject the results. So it's important to note that at this point, the student will not still or yet see the results. Students actually see the results when the dean has gone ahead to approve the results. That's exactly when the result is published for the student to see. So if you come back to the list of results, you notice that the first two, the test student 3 and the test student 2, that I approved that as the HOD, they are no longer showing here. So it's only the test student 1, that's the result I left out, that is showing now. So then the next thing is to go ahead and look at what the lecturer actually sees. So let's look at what the lecturer sees now. So the lecturer selects the session and select the semester. Then the status, we are going to leave status as all, so we can pull the whole result that the lecturer has uploaded against the session and the semester. So you notice that the two results that we approved, the test student 3 and the test student 2, under the HOD column is showing approved, and under the dean's column is showing awaiting review. At this point, this particular result has moved from the HOD panel to the dean panel, awaiting the dean's approval or rejection. So if you look at the general status of the two results, they are also showing undergoing review now. And the third result, the test student 1, that we didn't approve or reject, is still showing under the HOD column awaiting review, dean's column awaiting review, and general status awaiting review.